What's up, True Media family? This is Zach and Skylar from Just Video Walls, and we're out here at CEDIA 2024, checking out your flagship, best of the best video walls. You guys have been absolutely dominating the industry and leading with education, making sure people are actually aware of all the different variants with micro-LED and video walls. I really love that aspect of leading with the education. We made a previous series for you guys breaking down all the different types of LEDs technologies as well as the processors, which is something a lot of these guys don't want to talk about. In today's video, I would love for you to break down why this panel is the industry leader.
Yeah, for sure. Well, that's important. The education is super important because your job is to create amazing experiences, right?
Yep.
And the only way you can do that is if you know what it is that's going on.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I feel like this is one of these categories in our industry right now that is just so misinformed. People don't understand what goes into building a quality video wall. So I'd love for you to just take it away. What are we seeing here today, Skylar?
So behind us is the top-notch, top of the top video wall from Just Video Walls. This is the best that you can get in the market right now. This is a 0.9 millimeter pitch behind us. It's a COB technology, so it's very durable. But look at this image behind us. Like, you can't see any seams. There's no modules. We have lights on all over the place, and it looks absolutely incredible. We have super high-end processing backing this with 12 bits. We do 2 levels of calibration on this, so one from our factory and then one at our headquarters. We do a full Grayscale calibration, which is pretty crazy. I don't know if you've seen it.
I think that's something you should talk about a little bit more.
Yeah.
Because the Grayscale calibration is really important.
Yeah.
Additionally, how you provide extra panels in case of emergencies or, you know, the kid throws a ball at it or whatever happens.
Whatever happens. You know, these are pretty durable. Like, they can take a lot of impact. But yeah, I mean, we do ship it with spares, and then you know, with the Dream Media team, you guys can buy it with extra spares depending upon what the customer needs. But yeah, I mean, the idea is, like, when we calibrate this, it goes pixel by pixel twice per 4 hours. And it sits in a room that's completely dark and matches every pixel all the way across the system. So if you start with 600 nits, which is what this wall is, it ends up being 550 or 500 by the time it's done. And if you see that before and after, an uncalibrated wall is...
Oh, I mean, we literally saw one on the way in on the outside of the convention.
Oh, there you have that wall.
I'm gonna actually put on the screen that picture. You could see what a terrible installation looks like.
Yeah,
and that's what we're trying to avoid here.
I've heard that one's only 2 years old, but yeah, that's why we
prime example.
We wanted to go with the best of the best here because it has to be reliable. We don't want to come back for service 1,000 times, right? Like this.
And you guys don't want us to come back for service.
Yeah. So when you do a Just Video Walls wall, you're doing the best of the best, but we also can get creative with it. We can do a square art wall. It doesn't have to be a TV, right?
That's what I love about Just Video Walls is it's totally customizable. Because, like, what are we rocking right here? Is this a 24 by 9?
This is a 24 by 9.
We saw at their facilities, which I'll drop the link up here, whenever we flew into Fort Lauderdale, you're 32 by 9, which is really interesting because it gives you so many configuration options. Right. Yes, you can use that 32 by 9 as, you know, maybe a 16 by 9, and then what did we have? 4 other 16 by 9s at one point. So you could have, like, Disney going for your family, and you could still have 4 different sports games. I think we even stressed it out and it's 6 at one point.
And we can do a super wide screen in the middle. So you can do like your 240 content and then flank it with more 16:9. So you can have Kaleidoscape running in the middle and then have security speeds on the side. But yeah, we're seeing a lot of customers not even use it as a TV. Like, I just got done talking to some people who were like, we want to replace some of our art frames throughout our house because the wife wants to cycle in art, right? So, you know, it doesn't have to be thought of as a movie screen, something to watch Apple TV. It can do that with flying colors, but you can do a portrait one of these in your entryway, right? And you can have NFTs on it, right? And you don't have to have the same art every single day.
I mean, I saw you guys had just a minute ago a nice little demo of the television playing. It may have been a couple different images, and then you had it imposed over the weather.
Yeah, right.
So you could
have a weather thing pulled up with a marble background. You know, there's people who want to match this to the existing wall color or wall texture, right? If they've got panels. You know, they'll layer in and make it disappear like a frame TV, right?
I think that's the key, guys. That's what we're trying to say here is it's more than just a TV. Really, you let your imagination run wild. Watch some of our videos where we sat down and gave you some inspiring ideas as to things you can do in your own home. But just imagine a blank canvas. You can do anything you want with.
Yeah, man. It's the future. It really is.
And if this product here is a little out of your budget, you guys have to check out the videos of Lunar Walls because they have more accessible units now at a very intriguing price point that integrate in a lot of the key components that are in your upper level products as well.
That's right. Yeah. So it's really a step-by-step process, right? Based upon your application and what you're trying to do, you might find yourself in a Lunar Walls, or you might find yourself in just video walls.
Yep.
But the key is we want to be the people that you want to do business with your video walls. And we believe this is 100% the future of display. And we're just excited to be there, man.
Absolutely. And I can vouch for it. You guys are leading the way with your customer service. Our sales team reaches out. We provide a picture. You guys will render it up for us. I mean, you're doing it better than anybody else. So bad job.
Man, I appreciate that. Yeah.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about the best of the best that Just Video Walls has to offer. I firmly believe that they are the go-to company for Just Video Walls. Imagine that. If you'd like to learn more about Just Video Walls or anything technology related for your home, reach out today for a free video consultation with one of our specialists. We would love the opportunity to earn your business and go through your entire design and curate a package that fits your needs and budget. All right, guys, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, Zach with Dream Media out here with Skylar from Just Video Walls. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.